Hi, my name's Andy Chipling. I'm a paper plane professional. Today I'm going to show you the crazy Stunt Special. This is no longer a piece of paper, this is an aerospace material. Now what we have to do with this one is we just fold this over like so. Turn this over to this side, line that up with the edge, and again, another sharp crease. Now what's really great about this one, it's so simple, we just fold this back over to here. That makes that really easy, which is really fun. Now we're going to fold the nose back to touch that line there. Squeeze it in tight. This side only, we're going to fold in. So it's like that, just this side only. And we do another fold on that piece there. This is starting to make one of the legs, which is quite a cool feature of this plane. Now we're going to fold this back up and we're going to make the keel of the plane. Fold this down here, this is making that keel. Turn it over. The same on the other side. Try and line these up. You can move it around like this to line it up. Once it's lined up, nice squeeze down like so. Lift this up. Now the side here that's folding down like that, we fold this edge down as well because this is the plane that way up. And the other side, we fold it up. Now what we do also is we get our scissors and we cut some flaps in the back here. And then we cut a really, really cool tail. Nice curvy tail like this. We can push this up here. And then reverse that fold there. Open this up. These you push up. Now you adjust everything, get it so it's trimmed right. This plane flies all over the place. It does all sorts of crazy things. And I can throw it around like that and it zooms around my head. I'd love to try and get that to happen again. I hope you enjoy that one. I'm sure you will.